Okay, so good afternoon. My name is Kritika, and today I'm taking your session on entrepreneurship and innovation as career opportunities. As an awareness activity, why entrepreneurship and innovation is considered to be good for your career. Okay, so first we will understand what is the meaning of entrepreneurship. So what is entrepreneurship? First, it is identifying problems and creating solutions. Identifying problems such as the problems which we face in the market. Like for example, Zomato faced the problem. Zomato was an innovation for the problem like of delivery. Many restaurants were not having their own delivery system. So Zomato came as a solution for that problem. Second is building products, services and ventures. Product is like tangible products, services are intangible which we can feel, and ventures like businesses. Next is requires creativity, leadership and risk taking. Entrepreneurship requires creativity. You cannot copy and paste the ideas of others. That is not entrepreneurship. That is copying the ideas. And next is leadership. You have to be a good leader to be an entrepreneur. And next is risk taking. The more is the risk, the more is the profit. Next is contributes to job creation and economic growth. Entrepreneurs and businessmen create job for others rather than taking jobs, and they contribute to the economic growth of the economy. Next is examples of entrepreneurship. First is Flipkart. Two engineers started an online bookstore from a small apartment and became a leading e-commerce company. From selling books, now they have products of each and every type. Next is Ola Cabs. Identified the problem of unsafe overpriced taxis and created a mobile-based booking services. Now you can just book your cabs with the help of your mobile phones. Next is Zomato, which I discussed earlier, and same as that is Byju's and Boat. Now we will understand what is innovation. Innovation is doing something new or improving existing ideas. Innovation is that you have to create something new which is not already existing in the market, and to disrupt the market in such a way that every individual or organization is benefited from your idea. It can be technological, social and business model. It drives competitive advantage and growth. Competitive advantage in such a way no other person in the market is doing the things which you can do with the help of innovation. Next is examples of innovation. Innovation is creating something new, which I already said. And these are the examples like UPI that revolutionized the payment through instant mobile transactions. Now you don't have to carry cash. With the help of mobile, you can make transactions. Next is electric vehicles or EVs, which are innovating by not producing pollution in the environment. Next is ChatGPT and AI tools, जिससे आप बहुत अच्छे से familiar हो ChatGPT. It is AI based writing, whether you have to find any answers or solutions from your problems, ChatGPT is there for your rescue. Next is why choose entrepreneurship. First is freedom to create your own path. You are your own boss. You don't have any boss above you to whom you have to report. You can take your own decisions. Next is high earning potential. The more is the risk you take as an entrepreneur, the high is the earning potential which you can attain. Next is ability to solve real life problems. You come across various problems in your real life which you can analyze and come up with their solutions. Next is flexibility and self-dependence. You are flexible, work-life balance. Anytime you can take a break or you can take any decisions. And self-dependence is you don't have to report to someone for your decision and you are not accountable to anyone. Next is develops leadership and strategic thinking. Leadership is the skill which is to lead others. So in entrepreneurship, you can lead others, and strategic thinking is to think beyond the problems. Next is how entrepreneurship and innovation becomes career opportunities. This is the main topic which we will be focusing today. So first is create your own job. You build your own ventures. You don't depend on others that they will provide you job. You create your own job. Next is create job for others. You are the job creator, not the job seeker. Next is turn ideas into income. With the help of products, services, apps, and solutions, you turn your ideas into your income. Next is opportunity in every industry. every background provides you the opportunity for being your entrepreneur. Like if you are from management or from computer background, fashion designer, travel and tourism, any background you have. Next is freedom and flexibility. You have your own work-life balance. Next is support and opportunities from government like Startup India program and MSME activities, that is micro, small and medium enterprises initiatives. These initiatives by the government provide you various subsidies and benefits which will encourage you to be an entrepreneur. Next, these are the career opportunities in entrepreneurship for management students. You can be business